Hello everyone. I wanted to go over how to deal with a drop stitch with a crochet hook. This is why a lot of people will keep these on hand that knit, mainly because if you're working on something, it is a quick, easy way to be able to fix a drop stitch without having to worry about having an extra needle with them, and so it's just a nice quick little accessory you can keep with you. So a drop stitch is simply where a stitch falls off of your needle and it goes down. Normally by the time that you find it, you've gone up an extra couple of rows. That's not a big deal. The principle is still the same. So what you do, we're going to do this from the side. It's a little bit easier to see. Is you find your little loop here and you put the hook into the loop. Okay, and then you look behind and see where the first of these little strands are. You hook it in, so you put your hook over. I twist it to pull it through. Now this is stockinette, so anytime you have a knit, that's what you do, because you have to go in your pattern. Now if you have a purl instead, what I like to do is first come in and see, there we go, twist it so you're on the back side. So if you're wanting to purl, you go to the back side, you push your loop through, and you see, put your hook back in the loop, and then you take and you twist. Now if you look from this side, you'll see that it looks knit, not quite uniform with everything else because we're doing stockinette. From the other side, you have a nice little purl. So that's basically how you do a purl. Well, since this is stockinette stitch, I want to show you exactly how it looks whenever you're done. I'm just going to pull that out, go back in the loop. Okay. Find my strand, I twist and through. Find the strand, twist and through. Alright. Now that you're all the way up to where you need to be, you just take through the front and put it back on your needle and get the hook out. Now it looks like nothing ever happened. As you go, you can kind of pull on it, but it still looks perfect. And now nobody knows that you've dropped a stitch.